Hello, friends. Good evening. I hope all of you had a great day at the markets today. We certainly did. And let's talk about what is in store for us from the markets for tomorrow. So Nifty is done its to third successive gap up, fourth successive gap up, and it has reached around a resistance of 19,462. This is a critical resistance. My expectation is that we will see some correction from here on. If not, we are looking at 19,658 as the next target. So let's go to 15-minute chart and find out minor levels. So today, my trades where I went long here. It's a very small quantity, and I exited at cost. Nothing happened. Then I went long above this candle, and that closed to third close. So that was my trades today. And yeah, so tomorrow, if it gaps down and if it comes to 250 to 230, 19,250 to 19,230, it's a value area for us. This is where we can expect a sharp bounce to come back to the targets. Otherwise, 19,462, if we get a negative candle also, we are good to short for 19,410 and 19,250. Right? So I don't know if the corrective move will come tomorrow or on Thursday. Maybe Thursday, which means that tomorrow can also be a fire move. And then Wednesday sideways, and then Thursday we'll see the correction that I'm talking about. So that's my expectation for Nifty. Now let's move. Friends, हम बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट देखेंगे तो बैंक निफ्टी is going back to from where the selling started, this area. This is going to be huge resistance for bank nifty. So I've triangulated the levels down to around 44,000 where it will have huge resistance, and you can expect 43,000 to 42,900. 43,100 to 42,900. This can be support zone. So it opens gap down and then take support here, makes a positive candlestick, we can go down. Or if it gaps up and if it takes resistance here, then we can and gets a negative candle, then we can expect a correction here. So bank nifty, I suggest to avoid for tomorrow. Nifty is much better looking. And let's see how this weathers the storm of this selling zones here. So that's it for tomorrow's analysis, and I hope you will have a great day. And those who trade with Nifty, good luck. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
She's got eyes of the bluest skies. If they thought of rain, I'd hate to look into those eyes and see